Why does my thermostat keep losing its programmed schedule? It usually loses the schedule because of weak batteries, power interruptions, wrong settings, or a bad connection to the heating and cooling system. A thermostat stores its schedule like a tiny computer, and when it cannot keep steady power, it may forget what you programmed. If your thermostat uses batteries, low batteries can make it act weird long before the screen goes dark. If it gets power from the heating and cooling wires, even a short power loss can wipe out the schedule on some models. Some thermostats also reset when the time, day, or system type is set wrong, which can make it look like the schedule disappeared. A loose wire, dusty connector, or bad installation can cause the thermostat to think it is being turned off and on again. One thing many people do not know is that some smart thermostats only save changes after they connect to the internet or finish a software update, so a failed update can undo your work. You can check the batteries, confirm the time and day, and make sure the thermostat is firmly attached to its base. If it still keeps happening, write down the model number and look for a setting called Schedule Hold, Reset, or Power Loss Recovery. A common mistake is setting a schedule and then forgetting that a temporary hold is still turned on, because that hold can override everything until it is cleared. Another thing to watch for is choosing the wrong thermostat type, since some systems need a specific setup for heat only, cool only, or heat pump systems, and the wrong choice can cause strange behavior. People also miss dirty or loose wiring, and even one weak connection can make the thermostat restart without warning. A quick tip is to turn off power, gently check the wires, and make sure each one is secure before turning it back on. Also, do not ignore old batteries because they can cause random resets even when the screen still lights up. If the problem keeps returning, the thermostat itself may be failing and may need replacement. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.